ito na guys, magi-start na talaga yung bonggang-bonggang Viva Arcada concert and FanCon. Gaano naka-excited ang Higab na magbigay ng full entertainment for the fans?
Super excited, but of course, nerve-wracking, syempre. First time ko din mag-perform, and I think it's highest per first time
I'm not a dancer. I don't dance. I have never danced, and you know we've been given such a quick amount of time to learn everything, and so really trying hard.
But yeah, of course we're gonna do our best. Syempre, we've been rehearsing every day for this dance Viva Arcada concert, and we're just really excited perform to everyone.
Anong pasabog ng Higab sa Viva Arcada FanCon and concert?
Syempre, meron kaming, can we say it na ba? Sorry.
Just a glimpse.
Okay. Of course, we have a duet together, and then we're gonna have a Bad Genius prod. And
yes,
also have
and there's gonna be a very cool stunt.
Oh yeah, true. Mahirap yung stunt na to. Very very risky.
Very risk-taking.
We're doing it for the fans, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, that leads me to my next question. What are your thoughts on this kind of event na you're not just giving entertainment to the fans, parang it's your way of giving back then to all the love and support that you've been getting from the fans, yung mga ganitong event?
Honestly, right now, the main thing that's just motivating me is the fans. I'm looking forward to seeing them. I'm looking forward to the moment where, because this happens all the time, my nerves just immediately go away once I see them, and you know, we receive their love and support.
Yeah, of course, and we're just really thankful na we get the opportunity to perform in front of them, and especially Araneta. It's the Araneta Coliseum. We used to just go here and watch people, but now we're performing, and you know, we're just feeling really blessed, and thank you so much to all the fans who's going and who's supporting us, and of course to Viva that giving us this opportunity.
And speaking of being thankful, no, grabe yung pinag-uusapan ng Bad Genius sa Viva One. May mga trending topic, trending ang mga eksena. Ano ang reaksyon na ang init ng pagtanggap ng fans sa Bad Genius, and of course to your respective characters?
Yeah, definitely it means a lot. I mean, of course, this is a whole different genre than what we did before. It's a whole new character, a whole new style of acting and everything, and so we worked so hard on this. So it just means so much that we were able to make everyone happy.
Gab?
Yeah, of course, grateful din na sinusubaybayan kahit ibang genre like what Haya said. This is just not pakilig. This is, you know, from Thailand series na ginawa din ng Filipino, but Filipino culture. So, yeah, I'm just really excited. We're in, magiging episode 5 na kami. So, painit yung mangyayari and yung mga heist na gagawin namin. So, it's gonna be exciting.
Yes.